Hello, I'm Libby Rome. I am certified in the Starch solution, which is a whole food plant-based diet, and I recently lost 30 pounds in 12 weeks. A number of people have asked me exactly what I eat in a typical day. So here it is. I put together what I ate in a single day. I enjoyed a cup of green tea when I woke up. I find intermittent fasting very beneficial, so I only eat between the hours of 10 a.m. and 6 p.m., besides green tea and water. My first meal is usually fruit. Today, I enjoyed an apple with some strawberries. Because I have type 1 diabetes, it's important for me to calculate how many carbs I eat. So I enter all my food into a free app called MyFitnessPal. I then enjoyed a mug of hot lemon water. When I started getting hungry again, I enjoyed a salad with homemade salad dressing. When I was done with my salad, I made my lunch, which was some of my favorite vegetables, Brussels sprouts and okra, which I enjoyed along with a leftover stuffed bell pepper made with beans and brown rice that I had previously made a few days before. Now taking a walk with Pepper because that was a big old lunch. I drank 6 to 8 glasses of water throughout the day. For a snack, I had a mandarin and some homemade flaxseed crackers. At around 5:30, I got hungry enough to want some dinner, so I enjoyed a yummy baked sweet potato with steamed broccoli, black beans, and a leftover potato-based queso sauce that I had made based on a recipe from plant-based Gabriel. Thanks to my low-fat, whole food plant-based diet and intermittent fasting, my blood sugar was in range 100% all day. My total number of calories was a little less than 1,200. I was so full and satisfied from my delicious food, I was done eating for the rest of the day. MyFitnessPal gives me my percentages of macronutrients. I met my goals of eating less than 15% of my calories as fat and having at least 50 grams of plant-based protein. I could also view more nutrient details. I love that I never consume unhealthy trans fat nor dietary cholesterol. Our bodies make all the cholesterol we need. I also love that my sodium levels are low and that I get an abundance of vitamins. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I ate today. I hope you found this video helpful as well. So if you did, I would greatly appreciate you letting me know because I'd be happy to make more, or just let me know if you have any questions. See you next time. Ooh, it's exciting. Here we go. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh. Oh, my goodness. I'm so excited.